Hello friends, welcome back to cadpractice. Today we are going to construct the sixth part for the toy plane. In the sixth part we are going to make the mounting studs. Studs are being used for joining two different parts. When I double click this, so one type of stud is being placed here for the wings and the other type is being placed here. Okay, so we have two type of studs. So in this video we will make the two type of studs. Go to new, take a standard part in millimeter and go to create. Now take a 2D sketch, select the top plane, the exit plane, rotate the view, take circle command. From this center point make dia 6. Okay, finish sketch, take extrude. Here we will take symmetric extrude and take a height of 32 mm. Press OK. Now select this corner, click on chamfer, take chamfer of 0.5 and select this. Press OK. Okay, so this has been made. Now you can define any appearance. You can give it a chrome polished. Okay. Now save it. So this is the sixth part. So this is part 6 and we will name it. Okay, stud, stud dia 6. Okay, save it. Now I want to change the diameter and height, so I'll use the same stud. Go to file, save as dia 4 and I'll change the part count of 7 and save. Okay. Now here double click sketch 1, change the diameter to 4, finish sketch. Okay, double click extrude 1 and change the height to 15 mm and press OK. Now you can see we have made a new stud and save it. Okay, so these are the two type of studs. Go to assembly 1. Now first type dia 6 is here, return, and for dia 4 I'll double click this. You can see this is the dia 4 stud. Okay, go back to the assembly. We have already completed the previous parts. You can watch the previous videos for the parts, and further we are going to make the next parts to complete the toy assembly. Okay, so thanks for watching.